Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Sunil of 192. Today our video is about the refrigerant pressure chart. Today we'll discuss how differ these pressure at the ambient temperature. This chart is given in 4 columns. In the first column it gives us the temperature in degrees Celsius, and in the second column is pressure of R22 Freon, and in the third is R410, and in the fourth R32. We study before, if you study in HVAC, you know, all the HVAC technicians know about this one, that the suction pressure of R22 is 60 psi, and the high pressure is 250 psi. But here you see at ambient temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, the psi, the high pressure of R22 is 150 psi, not 250 psi. But where it is 200, it will go to 250 psi, but it has a relation with the ambient temperature. What is the outdoor temperature? If the outdoor temperature is 45 degrees Celsius, it will go to 250 psi. So from this chart, you know, if you are working on an air conditioning package unit, split unit, or any condensing unit using Freon R22, so you must follow this chart. What is the high pressure at that ambient temperature outside? Maybe your ambient temperature is -20. You can see the first row. At -20 ambient temperature, the high pressure of the R22 is 35 psi, and at 50 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, the high pressure of the R22 is 282 psi. So it is in actual. But in studies we just read that 60 psi is the low pressure of R22, and 250 psi is the high pressure of the R22. So this chart is given, so you follow. When you are working at any air conditioning system, you must know what is the outdoor temperature. You check the ambient temperature, and then you adjust your Freon in the running position of the unit. So if your outdoor temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, so you can your high pressure must become to 150 psi, and if it is R410, your high pressure will become at 240, and if it is R32, it will come 240 or 242. It's not a big difference in R410 and R32. So this is our topic, that your air conditioning Freon pressure depends on the outdoor ambient temperature. If ambient temperature is less, your high pressure of Freon will be less. If your ambient temperature is high, your Freon pressure is also high. So I hope you get this point, and you can use this chart if you are working somewhere in the company or outside any place. So you use this chart. Better you use these charts to fix your Freon properly, and if your Freon is properly charged in your unit, then the life of your compressor is more. If your Freon is more, then if your Freon is more charged, then it will damage your compressor also. So thank you very much for today, and in next video we'll discuss about the low pressure of Freon also.